market. It's a pub hopper, you know? Right from pub to pub before the vibration gets to you. And it looks good doing so.
Country lawyer and sheep farmer Brian Richardson has built the world's only electric-powered cafe racer. He has his eyes set on winning a zero-emissions road race. The other teams have big budgets. But Brian has a secret weapon. Top engineering students from Virginia Tech. Infineon Raceway in majestic Northern California is where Brian will put his plan to the test. He's surrounded by big bucks, modern bikes, and he's a million miles from bluegrass.
We will be the only antique vehicle out there racing in the 2010 Grand Prix.
I don't think it's intimidating because we have nothing to lose, really. They should not even be close to us, and if we get close to them, they should be the ones that are embarrassed.
It's a mixture of old and new, with the new technology, with the electric power, and but keeping the flavor of an old, classic, vintage race bike. It'll be neat to get out there on the racetrack and really see what it can do.
The race started with little fanfare or noise. Silent or not, in Team Electra's first outing at California's Infineon Raceway, the Norton was fast out of the gate, with racer Thad Wolf reaching third place with a top speed of 120 miles per hour. The Norton's legendary handling and sleek fairing were more than a match for the modern bikes.
We have to place and we're going to all fail, so no. I like the way Brian phrased his strategy in one of our first meetings.